Hello, this is solving equations, rewriting equations, example 1. In this example, we have to take this equation and we have to solve it for x. And students find this very confusing, so please pay attention. I'll try to explain it to you. We've solved several equations like this. 2x plus 3 equals 6. And this is very similar. The a, the b, and the c, they stand for numbers. And we have to go through the motions the same as we would for this to figure out what x equals. Here, to figure out x equals, first we would minus the 3 to both sides. We'll be doing the same thing. We'll be minusing b to both sides. Then the last step, we would divide both sides by 2, and we'll be doing the same thing here. We'll be dividing both sides by a. So let me do this one step at a time and show you what we come up with. It's a little bit strange, but not too much. When we minus b to both sides, what I end up with is ax equals c minus b. So in most other equations, we would just do 6 minus 3 is 3, and that would be that. Here we can't do it, so we just leave it alone. The last step is to divide both sides by a. So we get x equals c minus b divided by a. That's it. I guess if you wanted to say x is equal to c minus b divided by a, that would be good, as long as your c minus b is in parentheses. And here, this division bar is a symbol of inclusion, and it's the same thing as having c minus b in parentheses. So either one of these is a good way. Now, the second part of this question is to use this to solve this. Well, we'll go back to this. ax plus b equals c. And how does that relate to this? Well, this means that a is equal to 2. See, a is the letter multiplying the x, and it's the 2 that's multiplying the x. In this equation, b is equal to 5, and c is equal to 11. Okay, so either one of these is a correct answer. I'll use the first one, and when I solve that, I have to say x is equal to, now it's c, that's 11, take away b, divided by a, which is 2. So x equals 11 take away 5 is 6, and 6 divided by 2 is 3. So in that way, first I have solved ax plus b equals c for x. Then I have used it to solve this equation. You're probably saying, well, why don't you just solve this directly? Well, using this, we could do this with any equation of this form. Different numbers multiplying the x, different numbers being added, and different things on the right-hand side of the equation. That's why we're doing this.